Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with simplertrading.com, and as we begin tonight's free video, I wanted to recap Bitcoin with you. Always a fun time to review something like this when you're making the new lifetime highs, and here in the continuous futures contract, you can see trading as high as 58,390, and really just a great reflection. If you have never studied the squeeze, I think it's one of the best technical signals that you could spend time on. This is built into Thinkorswim, and you can see these previous instances of what is shown as consolidation in the signal, and then when it transitions, that period of consolidation goes to trend. So that was an excellent drive higher. You can see repetition of the signal here. Very nice advance, and now we're just looking at it, kind of rinse and repeat. So as you get the breakout into this new high, ideally you're managing a winning position in this. Something we've been covering in the chat room during our daily sessions, but you can also pursue it from the idea of saying, alright, if you do want to buy the breakout, you're willing to risk back below these swing lows with the objectives of being up into these extensions. So the third one there, the 65,000, is one that I like, and then if you're willing to really be patient with it, your next extension up there at 80,000, I think will eventually find us somewhere, maybe by the summer, maybe it takes a little bit longer, but if you look at the last rally that we saw back through here, I think that that's something like what you're getting geared up for during this next rally. So I hope that gives you something to think about, some technical levels to apply if you are trading that market, and we'll see how it goes over the next couple of updates. Y'all have a great night, and we'll see you at the next free video.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me